Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to download Microsoft Store apps via your web browser without opening the Microsoft Store application. This bypasses system restrictions, error codes, or network blocks by pulling the raw installation files directly from Microsoft servers using an official database link generator. First, open your preferred web browser, go to Google, and search for the specific Microsoft Store app webpage you want to download. Look at the address bar at the very top of your browser layout. Highlight the complete web page URL link, right-click, and select Copy. Open a brand new browser tab. Navigate directly to the link extraction database website at store.rg-adguard.net and hit Enter. Locate the main data entry text box sitting right in the middle of the screen display layout. Right-click inside that blank input layout cell. Select Paste to drop your application link, and click the checkmark button on the right side. A detailed file tracking list will generate below. Scroll to the absolute bottom and click on the file ending in the extension .msixbundle or .AppXBundle to download it straight to your computer. Once the download completes, open your Downloads directory folder, double-click the raw setup file layout, and click the blue Install button on the pop-up prompt to deploy it. And that's it! Your browser-based application downloading system is now completely functional and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.